Welcome back, y'all. We're out here on the water, practicing our social distancing. It's just me and Landon. We're gonna go dive these rocks. We came out because the other day in our last video, like you saw, the water was super clear and thought it'd be fun to come out here and swim again, but there's been a cold front that's pushed down, a lot of wind, and it looks pretty green today. Like there's a lot of sediment in the water, so we might not be able to see anything. If that's the case, we'll just kind of fish, hang out, enjoy the sun, being out of the house for a little bit. But we're gonna go ahead and hop in the water and hopefully be able to see some fish and explore. There's like a labyrinth of caves through here. On this backside there's a cave, on the far side there's a cave that goes all the way through. There's a bunch of cut throughs and stuff that you can go underneath. It's actually an old bridge that they blew up and then they put it out here as basically like an artificial reef for the wildlife here for the different fish. So we've got there's a rock over there, far rock. There's a rock here. Then there's the main sequence of rocks over here. So yeah, we're just gonna go ahead and get in the water. Sketch because they're sharp and you can catch it. But as you can tell, there's like zero visibility in the water. So I think I'm gonna get up on the rocks, jump back to the boat, start swimming that way, and probably just hang out for a little bit because we can't see nothing and it's a little sketch. It's not worth running into something or have something get you. So. So dirty and rough, I can't even find fish. Alright, let's go back to the boat. Cold. Like I said, that cold front that moved down, and then also I think that pushed in just kicked up a lot of sediment because of the waves and the wind that's been blowing the last couple of days. Pretty I don't even know how you would describe, like granulated. There's just a lot of like speckles and particles in the water. So we're gonna head up to these rocks all the way over there. I don't know if you can actually see them in the GoPro. And just because it's shallow, there might be some fish that were going around. Landon wants to try and fish them. We'll just kind of walk through them, maybe float through them, just see how it goes. Because right now, being in the water isn't really very productive. There's not much to see. Kind of sucks, but whatever. There's also a tower that's way over here that we might go try and either spearfish around or jump off, mess around. It's just gonna be a mess around day.
Waking up anew, wasting time is all I do. But now when I'm with you, so much time, nothing to do. I'm dropping you texts now. You said you want me when it's that. Being with you just feels right. You said we could meet it when it's that. Sun is about to go down. So what you doing tonight? It's everything I can't think of. Waking up anew.
Alright, we're gonna toss Landon the GoPro here.
Gotta make it good, dude. It's everything I can't think of. Waking up anew. Wasting time is all I do. But now when I'm with you, so much time, nothing to do. I'm dropping you texts now. You said you want me when it's that. Being with you just feels right.
Alright, we gotta get down now. It's kinda sketchy.
Pretty well done exploring that island. We're back inside the Tampa Bay now, and we're going to steam on home.
Giving you my hand. I'm dropping you texts now. You said you want me when it's that. Being with you just feels right. You said we could meet it when it's that. Yeah, slow down. Sun is about to go down. So what you doing tonight? It's everything I can't think of.